Do you prefer a crisp and clean interface? Switching back to Grok AI's light theme is easy. Let's walk through it together. Log into your Grok AI account. Click on your profile icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the Appearance or Theme, you'll see an option for Light Mode. Simply click on it and your interface will immediately update with a bright, vibrant look. Your new setting will be saved automatically, keeping your Grok experience clean and professional every time you log in. And there you have it. You're now back in light theme. Perfect for daytime use and a more energetic vibe. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.